reading and gaining of knowledge, but it wasn't until I came to Sunita that I learned to let go of that a little bit. Because no matter what you read, there are a lot of books out there about meditation or mindfulness or what have you, and I have a shelf of it at home myself because I'm an avid reader, but the practice itself can't beat anything that you read. Because no matter what you read, that active practice has to be there.
Yeah,
Otherwise the movement doesn't happen. And I would actually say that the practice is probably better than trying to retain the knowledge. It will be easier to retain all the little things, like even things that Sunita said today. I think today I answered her question about what is the nature of the body. You have no idea how long it took me to remember that, like years, right? It's been years because I haven't, and I haven't worried about retaining that, but eventually you're like, oh yeah, I remember, like now, because there's a different kind of understanding of my own existence that comes from the practice. So I would say that is the biggest focus for me anyways, and I think it's very fulfilling.
Yeah, that was my question. I'm practical too.